with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hello there, DDT fam. Blessed day to you. It's another day. It's a beautiful day. Hope that whenever you get to watch this vlog, whether it be morning, afternoon, or night, make sure say you cock up in your bed, find a little place in your space, wherever you are, where you can just sit down and take in the bit on a yard that we shall deal with today. I won't be in the kitchen. I'm up on the road. Yeah, I'm going to look on the road, yeah, and all of that. So blessings, peace, guidance and protection, enough love. Most of all, enough respect and thanks for loving, supporting. Thanks for clicking on to our videos. Thank you all so much. So look here, I'm up on the road here now. So, may I head out somewhere. Everywhere is just bleaky. I'll show you in the next clip. Bleaky, look like we're I'm going to get some olive power that I can to them. But I'll catch you in the next clip. See? Alright, so look here. We are on the road. It is Saturday morning. This is not a work morning. And we are stuck in traffic. Look on the... I don't know. I don't know because the people them say. From you see the sky them say rain. Yeah, we're supposed to get some olive rain at Jamaica today. Because it kind of easy for a few days. And, you know, the whole place, it looks so overcast. But me want to never tell me no. And I said, this look like any Monday morning. Any work week morning. When I see traffic, and this is a straight with the pan. Straight. So I saw the traffic stay. And we are going up Washington Boulevard. Yeah. Heading up. And I saw it stay. I don't know how far this I carry, but look here. We are here. See the sky there? You see it? Traffic all on the sidewalk, all on the soft shoulder, hard shoulder, every shoulder. Pure traffic. Yup. You see that? Traffic. Probably look as far as you can see. Look up the road. Big early Saturday man when we think I'm market, the people them supposed to say I go. Yeah. Traffic. This and it barely have moved to. Coming down it not bad, but watch it up the road. I know them are going like a Christmas Eve traffic this. I turn him, so. Like him I go turn, you know, so I'm going to go right in front of you. Watch him, you see him? Right in front of you, my head. So guys, see where we're there, you know? Is he sign? Active Home Center. Up. So we're going into Price Mart. But over there, so open. Yeah. So them can't dash you away. A young planting them a plant there no full bread. A barrel planting them there. Oh, Papa Jesus. Hey, yep. So we are heading to Price Mart. I think I turn put on my phone in there, Barry, because I know like they must not want nobody recording at them place. And look here. If they say they don't want it to record in there, I just follow the instruction. I play by the rules. I'm a girl that play by the rules. Well, place overcast all over. But me no mind the time cool, so we're heading into Price Mart. I not pick up, man. I don't think I'll shop. I'm not gonna shop. I'm just gonna pick up about 2 or 3 stuff. We add this, so I definitely can. Hey, idiot! You know, so the man I come and push out. Oh, some people fool some man. Yeah, I've been in this Price Mart for probably about 2 years, more than 2 years. Long time I'm not coming at that Price Mart, yeah. If we at them, Mr. Jarda in the parking in so full already. I sleep here last night. Jesus, God Almighty. Cake. A cake sale too? Today? What's your party? I must about to clock at 10 now or something like that. And the whole parking lot full. This is the Reddit's road one. A long time I not come. If you go right now at the Portmore one, it's full too. They have more now, Jarda? They have more now no more? No more Price Mart. One day I'm be here.
Yeah, but that no open for no shopping.
Oh, okay. Okay. Everywhere full. So, me catch you in the next clip part. Can see the difference with the lighting. In the prayer clip, you see where we get the bulb and Jarda put it up back. So we have good light. We're gonna cook, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun, we're gonna bake, we're gonna do everything over here. So this was just a little different thing for me outside of the kitchen. Yeah, today outside of the home, it was raining, but I had to go on the road. Yeah, and I hope you did like. If you did like, you let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of this video. I always tell you know. But I want to say one thing here. We have been spared again from the wrath. Jamaica has been spared once more. I think they feel, our Jamaicans are feeling like not we are being spared, but we are being spared. People are praying. Yeah, one of them. People are praying. When I looked at Raphael last week, and saw how it came by and it was dumping a lot of rain on the island. Yes, we did get a lot of rain and some flooding and everything and so on. Yeah, and so we did get, and the thing about it is some parishes were getting the rain prior to Raphael coming. It was like, I was really worried about that. What is going to happen like to parishes like Portland and St. Mary that were getting rain and still I get rain when Raphael came, but God spared us. And as Raphael lift up from Jamaica, Barry, they tell us that it left Jamaica as a tropical storm and it went to Cuba, Western Cuba. 1 week later or less than a week later, we had Sarah. And now Sarah came and I was worried again that Sarah, because the amount of rain and said, how are we gonna manage? And we are praying. I am praying for I did pray. I just didn't want when these storms come, they do any damage, major damage. But from time to time, it happened. You know, it was when I saw what it was doing in Cuba, my heart melted. Then Sarah came and it was ear dingling. No, when I was seeing what was happening in Honduras, oh, my heart, it never melt this time. It sank. My heart literally sank. The amount of rain for them infrastructure, what them say it could manage it, and it is still there. So it is sending back some rain in Jamaica now, because them say it is sitting. But you know what happened? I think we have been spared the worst once more. But I just continue to pray. I just want to say, Lord, I thank you. And I was praying for it not to do any damage in Honduras or any of those countries. I was so praying. But it happened. But you know what? We're still in sympathy with them and all of that. And I just want to take this moment to say, once more, and I will not stop saying it, in every single vlog. So anybody when I like to hear it, when you see that little part there, just click off. Make sure, Paris, I beg of you, can't turn the camera anywhere now, because the light is good. Make sure that somebody, yes, amen, if it's only one person in your household is praying, try to live that, come out of your house and get up and curse in your, come out of your house with cussing and you rush out in a vexation. Please. Sometimes little argument occur where we can't avoid, we are humans and so on. But, try to calm down, try to settle down, and try just to take it low. Nobody come out of the house with no rage and no vexation and, no pray. Even if you have and you see that happen, pray, ask God to guide and just to take full control. Because look here, it's not easy. Caribbean had a pretty active, rough season this year. Earthquakes. But to be honest, I didn't feel any of those 2 earthquakes. I didn't feel any. I mean, definitely never feel none. I can't say anything. I can't put nothing on the earthquake them. Can't put no 2 cents, no 1 cent, no cent at all. Because actually, I didn't feel any. Cobb was in class. I was in the kitchen. Just to make a little tea or something. Nothing big for breakfast. It was Sunday. And as she rushed came out and said, Mom, did you feel an earthquake? Because I was in class and everybody was saying earthquake. I said, no. I was standing right here. Right here. I said, no, I didn't feel any earthquake. And she went back. Probably about 45 minutes, less than 45 minutes later, Jerry rushed out of first room. Mom, did you feel an earthquake? No. Dad was on the back there, out of back. So, no, we didn't feel any earthquake here. Everybody is here, there, everywhere near to our feet. I did not feel it. But you know what happened? I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on to our channels. Thank you so much. May I got big enough to share out the video them here. Because may I got do from Yasso to over the cooking channel. From here to there. So if you don't like some big old ugly face, come look for me. Because I'll be incorporating like cooking videos. May I show you some things that I have and something. So when you need to see the videos, you gotta go over the cooking channel to see. We're gonna be doing things over here that if you need to see it, if you come from my cooking channel, come and look at what we're doing. I've got a beautiful video coming for you. Maybe about Monday. I don't know when. I'll do it Monday, but I don't know when you'll see it. But I've got a beautiful video coming. You're going to need it. You're going to need it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And to never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Try to stay up on top of things. It's hard these days. I'm telling you, baby. It's hard to stay on top of things, but try. With even one somebody in your house praying, you will be able to. Yeah? Don't get caught up in the hype. Don't get caught up in the holy pa vanity and the prettiness. Yeah, we all know you want stuff and you want a place so pretty. Why not? But don't get caught up in it and forget that there is a God that controls the universe. There is the powers that be that controls the universe.